Namaste. So my name is Smriti Bhatia and I am a designer chocolatier for the brand Smriti's Choco House, and we have an academy by the name of Smriti's International Academy of Bakery Arts. I always wanted to add something new to my range and outside of my own research and experimentation, which we say upgrading of skills, and which is why I pursued the course Food and Business, Non-Veg and Veg Recipes under the Academy of Sanjeev Kapoor, and it was a beautiful learning experience with the way the kind of recipes had been put forward, the live sessions that we had with the chefs, and all the questions and answers that were given to us of why things are used in the recipes and what is the purpose behind them. I have been able to add them to my existing range of not just the workshops where we can also teach other students how to learn and adopt to the recipes, but also we have added to our own range where there is so many fusion innovations that we've done to the spicy section of our academy. So thank you so much for giving us this beautiful course and giving us more concepts that we can learn in terms of especially the marketing part for me, and how the costing part can also be taken care of to the best of the abilities that we understand as per our business. So some parameters were definitely an eye-opener for me, in spite of being in this industry for 13 years of the food, but I still was able to learn so many things. Thank you so much, and wishing many others more and more luck to adapt to this, and happy Women Entrepreneur Month March. Thank you so much.